Hi, hope you're doing well. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you may be. My name's Andrés Pimentel, and welcome to episode 4 of building a cabin in the woods in Cusco, Peru. This is day 11. Kind of crazy. Been 11 days and got a roof over my head. Temporary roof, but still a roof. Today we're gonna keep going, stapling down this plastic. Dogs are here as usual, and yeah, we're ready to rock and roll. Like it? Okay, good. Didn't notice how tricky it would be to cook and film myself. Okay, they're a little overcooked. I heard a big crack and then came to investigate. Looks like some dead branches fell off one of these trees. So I'll just take it as firewood. I don't really want to use it for furniture or house because I feel like it'd break too easily. But it'll be good for making dinner. Anyhow, I guess I should go keep stapling. Found another tree that was probably toppled over in the storm, and this one fell a while back, but they'll be helpful for making stuff. So yeah, let's get them up to the cabin. And yeah, this fire took a long time, and I'm really hungry, so hope this is good. But I hadn't realized that among all these headlines of millennials, I'm, with my parents' help, becoming a homeowner. When I lived in California, rents were so expensive that I was like, that seemed like a crazy idea, being able to afford to rent. And now I'm affording to build and eventually own my own home. So I think that's pretty special. Got the white done, at least initially. Next up, clear plastic for a big window. But I think I'm gonna eat first. Today is Saturday. So today is Gravity Day. That was close. So today is Saturday. I've been at it for a while. I haven't been as productive as I would have liked. At least I got the white plastic up, made my food. Always takes a while if you're making it with a campfire. Hopefully gonna get the silver plastic up. It's kind of been sinking in how far away I am from everybody and how quiet it is. Luckily I have service, so it's easy to call people, stay connected through the internet. But yeah, it's pretty. You can hear the birds, the creaking trees. Gotta keep pushing on, and every day it'll become more and more comfortable. Luckily it didn't rain today. Could probably use a shower. Feels good to be here and doing stuff. This is Munya, a member of the mint family. Should make some nice tea. Looks like the tea is ready. Nice and boiling. Water is now safe to drink. Does it? Let it cool. And I really should have brought leather gloves or something to hold hot stuff with. Thanks so much for watching. This week was a struggle, kind of tedious, but that's how it goes. Next week should be fun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with a friend if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Don't forget to smash the like button. And I'll see you next week.